talking about yung mga performances mo, mga experiences mo sa W Copa, how would you, kumbaga, describe yung competition among other nations?
Yeah, W Copa, nung time ko, I think we had like 70 plus countries participating nun, and that was 2019. Actually, yung bagong winner ng tawag ng tanghalan was my batchmate noong 2019. Oh. And then, coming into the competition, I felt really great because nung kumanta ako, tapos nag-standing ovation yung mga...
Ano yung kanta mo?
I did, in one of the categories, I did Hallelujah. Nagtatayuan yung mga ibang lahi. Parang, ang feeling ko, ay, ang galing ko pala kasi tumatayo yung mga ibang lahi. But then, nung sa awarding, na-realize ko na pagtawag na vocal, kasi W Cup has multiple categories. There's acting, there's dancing, there's singing, there's modeling, ganun. Pagdating sa vocal category ng awarding na, wala nang halos tinatawag na ibang bansa. Gold medalist, Philippines. Gold medalist, Philippines. For gospel, Philippines. For contemporary, Philippines. Na-realize ko, actually, kahit pa papalakpakan man ako hindi ng puti, pagdating sa kantahan, magaling talagang Pilipino.
Oo.
Namamayagpag talaga tayo.